Hi, this is Dudong Diton and welcome to my channel. So, yes, I'm back here in Samsung Experience Store SM City, Cebu. Yeah, first time yung offer si Samsung na nakabundle na ang phone, ang buds, and even the adapter for a very low price. So, we now have the Samsung A07. These are the gift packages. Gift packages ba? Yes! Unforgettable Gifting Awesome Starter Pack Galaxy A07 LTE with free travel adapter and Galaxy Buds Cord. The travel adapter alone is 1,390 and the Buds Cord is 2,690. Now, if you will buy an A07 LTE for 6.7 inch and with the better performance, this is a basic phone. So say for example, usually ang mga magamit yung mga hindi naman masyadong gamer, no? Affordable, very affordable. Actually, the A07 LTE for 128 gig is priced at 5,990. Now, if you will bundle it with the Buds Cord and bundle with travel adapter, it's just 7,290. Perfect na perfect gift ni sa atong mga loved ones, atong mga friends into buds, into music, and especially if palit mo ani appeal na din ang travel adapter. So come and visit here in Samsung Experience Store SM City Mabolo. Appeal po ng Samsung Experience Store Ayala Center Cebu, and of course across all Junrex stores Cebu. Meron tayong Junrex Ayala Center Cebu, Junrex SM City Cyber Zone, appeal po ang Junrex SM City Seaside Colon as well. So yes, come and visit to those stores. Available tong unforgettable gifting for Christmas na nakabundle ang A07 LTE, available in 2 colors. Yes, that's gonna be 4 gig of RAM and then 128 gig of storage. Appeal sa box ang Buds Cord and of course ang travel adapter. So yes, bye for now!